Gutters Madison Heights is essential for homeowners looking to protect their properties from water damage. Our gutter company, Madison Heights MI, specializes in seamless gutters Madison Heights, ensuring a perfect fit for every home. With our expert gutter contractors, Madison Heights, you can trust that your gutter systems, Madison Heights, Michigan, will be installed with precision and care. Gutters Madison Heights is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your home's exterior. Our gutter repair services, Madison Heights MI, address issues like leaks, sagging, and blockages. Our gutter specialists, Madison Heights, are trained to handle all types of gutter problems, ensuring your rain gutters. Madison Heights, Michigan, function efficiently. Seamless gutters. Madison Heights are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and aesthetic appeal. Our gutter experts, Madison Heights, Michigan, provide top-notch seamless gutter installation, Madison Heights MI, reducing the risk of leaks and enhancing your home's curb appeal. Trust our gutter professionals, Madison Heights MI, for all your seamless gutter needs. Downspout installation. Madison Heights MI is a key component of effective gutter systems, Madison Heights, Michigan. Properly installed downspouts ensure water is directed away from your home's foundation, preventing costly damage. Our gutter company, Madison Heights MI, offers expert downspout installation services tailored to your home's specific needs. Gutter cleaning services, Madison Heights, are vital for maintaining the efficiency of your gutter systems. Regular gutter cleaning, Madison Heights, Michigan, prevents clogs and ensures proper water flow. Our gutter maintenance, Madison Heights, Michigan, includes thorough cleaning and inspection, keeping your gutters in top condition year-round. Gutter replacement. Madison Heights MI is sometimes necessary when repairs are no longer sufficient. Our gutter contractors, Madison Heights, provide comprehensive gutter replacement services using high-quality materials for long-lasting results. Whether you need a full gutter system replacement or just a section, our gutter specialists, Madison Heights, have you covered. Gutter protection. Madison Heights is essential for preventing debris buildup and reducing maintenance needs. Our gutter guards, Madison Heights MI, and gutter leaf guards, Madison Heights, offer effective solutions for keeping leaves and debris out of your gutters. With our gutter protection systems, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your gutters are protected. Gutters Madison Heights solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Our gutter services. Madison Heights MI include custom gutter upgrades, Madison Heights, Michigan, ensuring your gutters are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. From gutter covers Madison Heights MI to advanced drainage systems, we offer a wide range of options.